Hi everyone, my name is Darquin Malone. I am a student in English 3060 and I am going to present a summary over the interstellar object article that I read. So the purpose of this summary is going to be to describe the importance and the significance of the discovery of this interstellar object that has entered our solar system, and how we can benefit from the information, as well as how scientists can benefit and have opportunities to find new discoveries from the information that we can derive from this object. So there was another interstellar object that had entered our solar system back in 2017. They named it 1I/2017 U1, but it has also been well known as another name by OUA, MUA. It was within observable range for weeks, which only gave scientists a limited amount of information that they could grab from the object. And it was also classified as an asteroid, which was also part of the information that scientists could grab from the limited amount of time that they had to study the object. So recently, an amateur astronomer had discovered another interstellar object that has entered our solar system. They named this one C/2019 Q4 Borisov, which was the last name of the astronomer that had discovered the object. This object is estimated to be in the solar system for months, for many months, up to even a year. So that will give scientists a much longer time compared to the first object to study and grab more information on what this object was composed of and other helpful things that could result in more opportunities for scientists to find out what else is out there in other solar systems. So some of the information that we can get from this object is, for instance, what it's composed of, which could tell us what the solar system that it came from was composed of, which could give scientists more information to find out a lot more things on solar systems and other things outside of ours. This object is estimated to be about several kilometers across and to be moving about 30 kilometers per second, which is fast enough for the object to escape the gravitational pull of the sun as it passes through our solar system. It's possibly a comet due to the tail of material that extends from the object that's been observed. So scientists believe that it could be a comet, and they also want to try to track back this object back to where it came from, to the solar system from where it came from, to pinpoint that exact location as well. And to conclude this summary, I just want to leave you guys with some key points from the summary, that this discovery can result in many scientific opportunities for scientists to find out more things that is going on in the outer space. And this object could be a comet, which would make it the first interstellar comet that's been discovered. and as well as it will give scientists many months to study and observe to find out more information about this. So thank you guys for listening.